Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset the BLACKVIEW tab 12 and remove the screen lock protection. If you have screen lock enabled and don't remember the PIN, password, or pattern, you can factory reset the tablet to remove it. To factory reset, first turn off the tablet by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on the power off option and confirm with OK. After the tablet turns off, press and hold the power button and volume up button together until the BLACKVIEW logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the buttons and wait. You'll enter the recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to confirm selections. Scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, then press the power button to confirm. Select Factory Data Reset again and confirm. Wait until the wiping process is complete. Once complete, make sure Reboot System Now is selected and press the power button to confirm. Wait for the device to finish resetting. When you see this page, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.